G'day everyone, welcome back to Nat's Knackers Yard. I'm Nat, this is my Knackers Yard. If my voice is a bit off, I've got a really sore throat. I've got, a gland up. I've got a gland up. It's fucking uncomfortable. Lady and I, don't we lady, want to say thank you. Oi. I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking in this one. This really reinforces why I do this and why I put content out there, why I ask for advice. I don't know everything. There's a lot of stuff here that I've not done before. A couple of great bits of advice. First of all, and if I can, I will dig back and find out who gave the advice. But I could really do with a torch. I don't know where mine's gone. Yeah, first of all, the advice was too much oil on those plates. That is just going to force them to gum together. Right, okay. So I've taken the plates out and I've degunged them slightly. Another one was have a look down the oil spout. See if you can spot anything. See if you can see it move. Like that. And while I was giving it normal slack, no, I can see I'm sure you can see it. I can't get you far enough down in there, but I can see the spigot pull, but it's not pulling anything. So I stripped it out, took the plates out, gave them a refurb, gave them a rub down to get the worst of the oil, and actually it was the metal plates that were particularly gummy. A couple of guys were saying maybe the movement you've got is just the slack before it starts to pull. You might be right. You can see the plates moving. Oh, fuck-de-dar. Right, let's see if I can get this clutch cable sorted out, and we'll see whether or not that's actually worked. But, yeah, more importantly, thanks, guys, you're fucking brilliant. It's a good contract, this. You give me advice, I'll give you entertainment. Right, I'm going to try and get this cable squared up. This is a bit of advice, probably several that I've got actually. This has been said about what it meant by parallel, and they're dead right. By parallel is parallel with the plate, so straight down. Bit of jiggery poker in, it naturally binds up to just short of 90. Then it holds at the 90, which has got the maximum pulling pressure, which makes sense. It all makes sense. So let me torch off. See the plates there. Releasing those plates, and in the real world, let's try to get it actually. In the real world, it means that my neutral light seems to have gone for a Burton's recently. Quite get that. Okay. So I'm in neutral. Wheelie spins. Use some more. Retract straight up. So I'm in first. Clutch in. Let go of the clutch. Bars. Wunderbars. Into neutral. Life's a good one. I am tempted to try and run this up. I don't have the cleanest fuel in the world, but it might do. Let's give it a go. Right, I'm not going to bother with more fuel or try to run it. I feel like shit. So I'm going to cut this one short. I did look in the tank to check how much fuel was in it, and actually it's quite rusty again. The torch. So despite having derusted it, because I didn't recover it, drunker than I am, it's just rusted out. That's fucking awful. I think that's worse than it was before I started. Yeah. Oh well, better do that properly. What was I saying? I have ordered some filters. Some fuel filters. I've also just checked the fuel height. In fact, if I can find the pipe, I'll do it again and I'll show you. Right, I have complained before about this way of doing it. It's handy on the bike, but adjusting it afterwards is a pain in the arse. So onto the drain, undo the plug, and according to the book, it is level with the top of the bowl. Lying 3mm short of that. So float height, yeah, it's a little bit low, much the same on the other side as well. So I think because I'm sucking crap through this tank, I need to give the carbs a quick sluice once more, which is, as I expected, get a fuel filter on the main fuel line. I do have some, but they're huge, they're ridiculous. But yeah, so I'm going to knock it on the head because I feel like crap and talking's difficult with a hurty throat. But thanks guys, thanks for your assistance. I really couldn't do this without you. I'm recording this on a Saturday, probably going to go out on the Sunday. I was hoping to do the MCM bike show in London, but not feeling like this. Not fun. Right, cheers all. I'll catch you later on. Ta-ra.